Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, are you ready to tackle like the 31 miles? Well, you want to start a half marathon plan in the Runna app, but you were wondering on how to actually do so. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through all of this, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first thing first, go ahead and open the Runna app. Well, you're just gonna go open your phone, make sure you're fully connected to the internet, make sure you have the latest version, and tap on Runna app. Then, if you are new, tap on Get Started and create an account. If you already have a plan, go to the Plan tab and tap Manage Plan, then start a new plan. For me, I'm just gonna go to Plan, then Get Started. When asked for your race distance I'm talking about, select half marathon. You will then customize your experience level. I'm talking about beginner, intermediate, or even advanced. Then you can set your goal time or just finish. How many days per week you want to train? Is it like 3 days, 5 days, 6 days, whatever you want? You prefer long run day also? Then all you're gonna do is start training. Review your plan and tap on Start Plan. Your calendar fills with workouts immediately, don't even worry about that. Then sync with your basically Garmin or Apple Watch, it depends on you also, and your first run is waiting. It's time to go to the distance. And that's it, that's the main idea. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.